Hi, welcome to Unit 2, Part 5. You ready? Let's go. Which of the following best describes the sequence of resolution and repair in wound healing? A. Inflammation, remodeling, proliferation, maturation. B. Proliferation, inflammation, remodeling, maturation. C. Inflammation, proliferation, remodeling, maturation. D. Maturation, remodeling, proliferation, inflammation. 5 seconds. Correct answer. C. Inflammation, proliferation, remodeling, maturation. Wound healing involves initial inflammation, followed by proliferation of new tissue, remodeling of the tissue, and finally, maturation of the scar. What is the primary role of phagocytes in the inflammatory response? A. Releasing histamine. B. Producing antibodies. C. Engulfing and digesting pathogens and debris. D. Activating T lymphocytes. 5 seconds. Correct answer. C. Engulfing and digesting pathogens and debris. Phagocytes remove pathogens and cellular debris from the site of inflammation. Why the other options incorrect? A. Histamine is released by mast cells. B. Antibodies are produced by B lymphocytes. D. T lymphocytes are part of the adaptive immune response. Which cell is the primary mediator of the inflammatory response through the release of histamine? A. Neutrophil. B. Macrophage. C. Mast cell. D. T lymphocyte. 5 seconds. Correct answer. C. Mast cell. Mast cells release histamine, which causes vasodilation and increased vascular permeability. Why the other options are incorrect? Neutrophils are phagocytes involved in later stages of inflammation. Macrophages are phagocytes that release cytokines. T lymphocytes are part of the adaptive immune response. What is a key sign to monitor in people with immunodeficiency disorders? A. Skin hardening. B. Frequent or recurring infections. C. Sensitivity to light. D. Excessive allergic reactions. 5 seconds. Correct answer. B. Frequent or recurring infections. People with immunodeficiency disorders have an impaired immune system, which makes them more susceptible to infections. What is a typical chemical reaction in a type 1 hypersensitivity response to an ingested allergen? A. Psoriasis. B. Discoid rash. C. Urticaria or hives. D. Contact dermatitis. 5 seconds. Correct answer. C. Urticaria. When an individual ingests an allergen, like peanuts, shellfish, etc., the immune system releases histamine and other chemicals from mast cells. This leads to the symptoms of type 1 hypersensitivity, which include urticaria or hives, itching, swelling, and potentially more severe reactions like anaphylaxis. Thank you for reviewing with me. Up next, Unit 2, Part 6.